Rewire your brain for happiness. Ever wonder why you focus on the negative? It's not you, it's your brain. Our brains are wired to focus on threats, a survival mechanism passed down from our ancestors. But in today's world, that wiring can hold us back. Our ancestors needed to be hyper-aware of danger to survive. That's why our brains are naturally drawn to negative experiences and potential threats. This negativity bias can make us feel anxious and overwhelmed, even when things are generally good. It's like your brain is constantly scanning for problems, even when there aren't any real dangers present. This can lead to unnecessary stress and prevent you from fully enjoying life's positive moments. The good news is, you can rewire your brain. It takes conscious effort, but it's absolutely possible to shift your focus towards positivity. Start by actively noticing and appreciating the good things in your life, no matter how small. Practice gratitude daily. Keep a journal and write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. This simple exercise can significantly impact your overall mood and outlook. Challenge negative thoughts when they arise. Ask yourself if there's another way to look at the situation. Focus on solutions rather than dwelling on problems. Remember, small, consistent efforts can lead to significant changes over time. Be kind to yourself. Acknowledge that everyone struggles with negative thoughts sometimes. Practice self-compassion and treat yourself with the same kindness you would offer a friend. Ready to take control of your thoughts and create a happier, more fulfilling life? Start today. Download our free guide to rewiring your brain for positivity. Link